Hey everyone, welcome to That's Creative. Today we are going to make a photo frame. So let's get started. The things you will need are cardboard, color papers, thread, glue or glue gun, sequences, small wooden clips and scissors. Cut two circles of radius 12 cm and cover them with green paper. Cover the second circle in the same way. Cut two rectangles of length 12 cm and breadth 6 cm, two rectangles of length 12 cm and breadth 2 cm and two more of length 6 cm and breadth 2 cm. Take one rectangle and make a cut in the middle. Cover them all with black paper. Circle and stick some thread on it like this. Now stick the second circle on top of it. Now take the circle and the rectangle and stick them like this. Now take the rectangles and stick them like this. Now we will decorate the frame. Now we will stick them on the frame. Helpful, don't forget to like,